Welcome back and let's solve another CTF today. This video is a part of PicoCTF series for which I have made an entire sheet with a walkthrough link, the category, the challenge name as well as the difficulty so that it will be easier for you to track and complete the challenges. Now let's get back to the challenge. Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure
and keep hacking.
There are various medium problems which can be solved based on the checklist. So there is this challenge called so meta. You can download the picture here. So let's see. So we have pico image.png. Let's see if we can find any information. Nothing in the image, so we will go with our checklist. First command is file, and it says png image data. Okay, strings, and let me filter out using pico, and we got it. You have to be careful about the last character. The flag format should be correct. So we have easily solved this challenge, and we can see there are few of the medium challenges which are pretty easy. We can just have to follow the checklist. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.